question number 6. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Consecutive integers means three continuous integers. Suppose that if we are taking 10 as one integer, the continuous integers may be 10, 11, 12, or you can take it as 8, 9, 10. These are the continuous integers. Any number you can take it. Any three number which should be in the continuous order. So suppose that we don't know which are the integers, so we can give it as x the variable. So if I am taking x as one variable, the next integer will be x plus 1 and the next integer will be x plus 2. X plus, how we are getting x plus 1? This is the second integer. We can add 1 to this one. We will get the next integer, that is x plus 2. Understood? So these are the three continuous integers. 1, x plus 1 and x plus 2. If we are giving the value of x is 1, we get the next variable as next integer as 2 and the third integer as 3. Suppose that if I am giving x as 50, so the second integer will be 50 plus 1, 51, and the third integer will be 50 plus 2, 50. This is the way you have to take the integer, continuous integer. And it is given in the question, if we are adding these three integers, we get 51 as the result. So let the consecutive integers be x comma x plus 1 and x plus 2. And according to the question, it is given, if we add these three numbers, we get 51. That is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 51. This is the linear equation. That is x plus x gives 3x plus 1 plus 2 gives 3 equal to 51. We form the linear equation. Now we have to solve this x. So we keep 3x here. 3x equal to 51 is there in the RHS. Plus 3, if we shift to RHS, it will become minus 3. That is 3x equal to 48. X equal to, now we keep only the variable x on LHS. 3 is multiplied by x, so we get on the other side it will become division. We get the answer as 16. Therefore, the three consecutive integers are x equal to 16 and the other one x plus 1 equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17 and the third integer x plus 2 equal to 16 plus 2 equal to 18. Therefore, the numbers are 16, 17 and 18. If we add these three numbers, we get 51. Next, question number 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So first we can take three consecutive multiples of 8. We know three consecutive numbers we are taking as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let the three consecutive numbers be x comma x plus 1 and x plus Therefore, multiples of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. So we multiply each number by 8. So we are getting 8x, 8 into x plus 1 and 8 into x plus 2. If we put value of x equal to 1, we get 3 multiples as continuous multiples of 8 is 8 comma 1 plus 1 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 plus 2 3, 3 8s are 24. If I am giving x equal to 10, so I am getting 8 into 10, 80, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 into 8, 88, and the next one 8, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 into 8, 96. So, now we are writing here, therefore, 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 8x, comma 8 into x plus 1, comma 8 into x plus 2. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. That means, according to the question, if we add these 3 numbers, we get 888. That is 8x plus 8 into x plus 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 equal to 888. This is the equation. That is 8x plus, open the bracket, 8 into x gives 8x plus 8 into 1, 8 plus 8 into x, 8x plus 8 into 2, 16 equal to 888. If we are adding this one, 24x plus 24 equal to 888. This is the linear equation we formed. Now we have to solve x. For that, we are keeping 24x on LHS, RHS 888 is the 24 shifting to RHS, it will become minus 24. 888 minus 24 gives 864. Therefore, x equal to, here 24 is multiplied by x, so while shifting to other side, it will become division. 864 divided by 24. Cancel with the 8. 8 3s are 24. 1, 6 it will become 0, 3. 3, 1 time, 3 3s are 9, 18, 6. That is x equal to 26. Therefore, we can find the multiples, continuous multiples of x, which are 8x, 8 into x plus 1 and 8 into x plus 2. So, the first number is 8x, that is 8 into 36 gives 288. Second number is 8 into x plus 1 equal to 8 into 37 equal to 296. And the third number is 8 into x plus 2 equal to 8 into 36 plus 2 equal to 38 equal to 304. So the required numbers are 288, 296, 304. If we add these three numbers, we get 888. So these are the three consecutive multiples of 8 whose sum gives 888.